How to play Blacktop online in NBA 2K25. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll learn how to play Blacktop online in NBA 2K25. In NBA 2K25, the Blacktop mode is primarily designed for offline play, allowing players to engage in street-style basketball games using NBA stars, legends, or their custom MyPlayer characters. However, if you're interested in playing Blacktop online, there are alternative methods and community-created mods that can help simulate an online Blacktop experience. Playing Blacktop mode. To access Blacktop mode, 1. From the main menu, select Play Now. 2. Choose Blacktop. 3. Select the game type 1v1 to 5v5. And 4. Pick your players and court. You can use NBA players, legends, or your MyPlayer character in this mode. While Blacktop is traditionally an offline mode, you can play locally with friends by connecting multiple controllers. Simulating online Blacktop play. Although NBA 2K25 doesn't offer a dedicated online Blacktop mode. Although NBA 2K25 doesn't offer a dedicated online Blacktop mode, you can simulate a similar experience through the following methods. 1. Use MyPlayer in Blacktop. You can bring your MyPlayer character into Blacktop mode for a personalized experience. This allows you to practice and enjoy streetball games with your customized player. 2. Explore online multiplayer modes. NBA 2K25 offers several online multiplayer modes that capture the essence of streetball. The Park. Engage in casual 3v3 streetball games with other players. Pro-Am. Participate in competitive 5v5 matches with custom teams. The Neighborhood. Explore a virtual community where you can play pick-up games and interact with other players. These mods provide an online experience similar to Blacktop, allowing you to play with or against friends and other players worldwide. And that's it. Now you know how to play or simulate Blacktop online in NBA 2K25. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.